But we have several different types of fires. Here we see a cooking, a coffee pot. On occasion, we do have coffee pot fires in the kitchen where the automatic shut-off component of a coffee pot may have failed, or the tilt or turned over component of that may have failed. It's supposed to automatically shut the coffee pot off, and then sometimes that causes a fire. We also have some, and if you see the picture on the far left of your screen, that is a slow cooker. Sometimes we have fires with other small appliances, including these slow cookers. We also have fires including refrigerators, dishwashers, and any kind of electrical or gas device that you may have in your kitchen, to include ranges. But we'll talk about some of those. Some other ones that we have are electrical issues as well, as I mentioned just a moment ago. We have the branch circuitry that's in the walls that we look at. We also look at the light fixtures and bulbs, and we also look at the receptacles in the wall to see if any of those may have caused a fire. Today, we're going to be primarily looking at cooking fires. And one of the big ones is unattended cooking. Now, this photo here may be a little bit over exaggeration, but this was actually found in a structure, and all this stuff was on there. Some of it may have been fall down from the cabinets above, or it may have been placed there to start with. But we find that, you know, we have this unattended cooking on the range, and that's a considerable amount of the fires that we have involving ranges, only because the insured or whoever is going to be cooking, they'll take a pot of cooking oil, place it on the stove or the oven or range, turn it on, and they'll go into the living room, sit down, and go to sleep accidentally, or they may you know, get involved in a TV program. They may go to the restroom. Any number of things catches their attention, and they have forgot about that cooking oil that they have placed on the stove, or correction, the range. And so the next thing you know, they start seeing smoke and fire coming from the kitchen, and they have a kitchen fire.